Hello, it's March. It's Sunday. It's the first Sunday of the month. I have a very busy day today. I'm just gonna go see a friend and go for a walk in the park, and then I have to meet up with my group for my uni assignment and finish that off.
Just two people who make YouTube videos out for a walk. This is Samantha Rose King. Subscribe to her channel.
Like and subscribe.
And if you subscribe to her channel but you don't subscribe to my channel, you should do that too.
Yeah.
It's a lovely day. We're out for a walk.
Yeah, what are we doing?
In the sun.
We're doing a collaboration.
Collab.
Yeah.
A collab.
Look at that. I have no idea.
She's never been to this park before. This is Sydney Park.
And I've been living here for how long? Collectively like 10 years.
This is the most confusing part. I get lost in here all the time. Even though I have a very good sense of direction. I just want that to be known to the world. Go dog, go, get the stick. So it just occurred to me that the friend I saw this morning is the person whose birthday it was a few months ago when I did my first ever vlog. Oh, this lighting is really bad. Oh, that's better. And I don't know if you remember that video, but we went to a pottery class for her birthday and we did some wheel throwing and I got this bowl fired and I finally picked it up. That was like literally 5 months ago. Her birthday's in October, it's now March. And I think it's perfect. It's so cool. It's like a little bit lopsided, which is nice. But otherwise, I'm very happy with my bowl and I think it's gonna be our new key bowl, just because I said so. And I'm so happy with myself. And now I'm gonna go to uni and do all that, so woo!
Yay, finished the uni work for now with my group. But gotta go home and keep working on stuff. I hate being in my 30s and a uni student. It sucks.
At least the weather is still amazing.
It's Sunday. We're at the farm. Came here for the weekend to basically just chill out. It was my birthday on Wednesday. And I think that one thing that I'm really embracing in my 30s is just doing whatever the fuck I want. And frankly, I didn't really feel like doing anything major at all. Later on, we're seeing my family and my in-laws in the park for a bit of a family shindig. My family doesn't really love being on my videos though, so probably won't record any of it. But in the meantime, it's been a really nice weekend. I'm gonna drink my coffee and journal a bit and read my book a bit more, and then we'll head off.
Hello, good morning. It's Sunday. I'm meeting my friend Chloe and we are going to cycle to the beach today because the weather is amazing. And I'm just waiting for her at the park and there are lots of dogs, so it's great. It's only like 10 o'clock and I'm already really sweaty. Chloe is running late. In the meantime, I'm going to show you my new haircut. I don't know if I love it, but I was sick of the dog. Hi everyone, this is Chloe.
Hello.
She's really late. She's eating a bowl. How's the bowl?
It's a good bowl.
Oh. It's a bowl. It's very dense. Check this out. Oh, there's people in the way. Smile! Almost there! Yay! Gonna go here. Little Pongwong. Tell us about Little Pongwong Beach, Chloe.
You don't need to bring anything.
What about a hat?
Yeah, you can leave your hat on.
I can't believe this is actually a real place where I live. At the nudie beach. And we're having a hot cross bun, cheers. I'll blow you. We had to get clothed. We ran out of hot cross buns. Now we're going home.
Plenty of buns around there.
No. Time to go home. Oh. Trying not to die. I'm home. I'm really sweaty. So I got myself a bubble tea. Look at my helmet hair, isn't that sexy? Oh, I did a flick and you guys didn't see it. Hello, it's me, it's Steph. It's Sunday. It's the last Sunday in March and I haven't really been doing too many exciting things today because I have a lot of uni work to do basically. But my chili plant is kind of on struggle street right now. I keep watering it a lot, but I don't think that's the issue. I think there's something else going on. And I kind of feel like I have revived more than a few plants that I have rescued off the street. And so I thought I would just like chat about how I usually do gardening things on my balcony. And you guys can watch. My dad gave me a little, wait, you can't even see it. A year and a half ago, my dad gave me a little chili. I don't know what you would call it. What do you call baby chili? It was a baby chili plant that he'd grown from a cutting and he gave it to me and I planted it. And I've had 2 seasons of like really good chilies, but both summers it's been kind of attacked by caterpillars, and right now I think there's something going on with the roots because the leaves just constantly droop, no matter how much water or care I give it. So anyway, let's get stuck in. Because we live in a rental apartment, I like to put something down on the balcony just to catch all the dirt, and then empty it out onto that, and let's just see what's going on. I also really hate having dirty feet, so I have slippers that I wear on the balcony. I think it's just really root bound. If a plant is root bound in a pot, it means that it's not getting enough oxygen because the roots will fill out the whole pot, and then even though you water it, there's not enough room for the roots to actually get enough air, and so then it gets strangled and it gets all droopy. So as I'm pulling this out of the pot, the roots are going all the way through to the little bit of mesh I have at the bottom of the pot. Whoa! Oh my god. Just gonna pick you up and show you what I mean. All of this is roots from the plant, and they're trying to get out of the pot. They're trying to find another way to get air. One of my other gardening tips is about when you have a pot and it's got a drainage hole and you need to put something in the bottom of that so that you don't lose all your soil. Oh, sorry, chili plant. Usually I use old stockings. That was my dad's trick. Last year my laundry bag died, which is one of those white laundry bags with lots of little holes in it. So I just kind of started cutting up squares of that and putting it in the bottom. And it seems to work really well. But in this case, it looks like the roots wanted to grow all over it. Okay, I'm just gonna reuse that. This is some of that soil that I saved from when I was getting it out. And that soil is super wet. It's still wet, and I haven't watered this plant in a couple of days. That's another bad thing. Don't overwater plants like I did. You can see how long the roots of this thing is, and that was connected all the way through this lump of soil. So I'm just going to actually shake a bit of that off and just inspect the root ball. So I thought I'd wrap up this March month of Sundays with a cleaning montage of my balcony gardening situation, which is basically just these shelves that I made out of some recycled timber and some bricks. Everything was getting a bit messy, and I much prefer life when everything is a bit tidier, though I do struggle to keep everything tidy. You guys might be the same. It is a daily struggle. I want to say that this is probably the last month of Sundays vlog I'm going to do. I really want to focus on doing videos to do with sewing and other projects because I just have kind of more fun doing that. I want to say thank you to everyone who's subscribed lately, and for everyone who watches. It really keeps me going, it really keeps me motivated, and it means a lot to me, so thank you so much. If you're not subscribed, it would mean so much if you did, and I will be coming to you soon with some more videos. I'll see you then. Bye.